friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little different. We are on vacation at the beach, but the kitchen definitely needs some love after a few fun days of cooking and snacking by the ocean. I thought it would be fun to bring you along as I tidy up this space. So grab a cup of coffee or a snack and let's clean together while soaking in some cozy beach vibes.
If I could run with you.
We've been eating in quite a bit on this trip, which means lots of dishes piling up. I think there's just something so satisfying about getting a vacation rental kitchen or even your own kitchen back in order. It makes the space feel peaceful again. So while I'm scrubbing away, I'd love to know, do you like cooking while you're on vacation or do you prefer going out? We've done a mixture of both. We do every breakfast and lunch at the condo. We do a grocery trip at the beginning, and then we just eat lunches and breakfast there. And then we do a mix of dinners. Sometimes we go out, sometimes we stay in. And so you'll see in an upcoming video what we did throughout the week, where we ate, what we ate. But let me know in the comments, which do you prefer?
Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it. Just say the word. Oh. Whatever we do it just for fun. You only get so many trips around the sun. Say forever, we could be good together. Guess mystery loves company. Better too late than never. You know we could do better. So take a chance and run with me. Everywhere we go, we'll turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it. Just say the word. Everywhere we go, we'll turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it. Just say the word. Everywhere we go, we'll turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it. Just say the word. Everywhere we go, we'll turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it. Just say the word.
I seriously can't get over how beautiful it is here. Even just cleaning up feels special when you can hear the ocean waves in the background. I'm keeping things simple since this isn't my own kitchen. I'm just doing a quick wipe down of the dish. I'm loading the dishwasher and washing those big dishes that won't fit in there and making sure everything is neat before we head to bed later. The fam is actually getting ready to play some cards. I was tired, and so I just kind of rested and listened to them enjoying the rest of the evening.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my tune. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. just to cause a scene, make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my tune. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this. We got this. We got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this. We got this. We got this.
These countertops were super shiny, and it was hard to tell if there was anything wet or spilled on it, and the way that the light, kind of casted off of the tops of the counters. I just wanted to make sure that I was getting a good clean, so I went over it with the dish rag, and then I went over it again with some Clorox wipes.
You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation.
finish sweeping up the floor, I do get on my hands and knees with some Clorox wipes because I didn't know where the mop and stuff was. I didn't see one, but there were some dirty spills on the floor, like next to the oven and the refrigerator. So I just got a Clorox wipe, got down on my knees, and took care of that. And that's going to do it. The kitchen is clean and ready for more beach snacks and vacation meals. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoy cozy clean with me videos and travel vlogs, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss future adventures. Now it's time to get a good night's rest so that in the morning I can get back to the beach and soak up some more sun. Hope you guys are having a good one. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye.